Hey everyone, ever wonder how some YouTube videos just seem to pop off and get tons of views, while others, even with great content? Imagine these two videos. Both are amazing. Let's say they're about making the perfect sourdough starter. But one video is like a hidden treasure, the secret sauce, keywords and tags, high search volume. Keywords. These are the phrases people are actually searching for on YouTube. Trending keywords. Riding a trending wave can bring a surge of new viewers. Relevant keywords and tags. These tell YouTube exactly what your video is about. Without these crucial elements, your fantastic video might only be seen by your immediate family. Now, I know this might sound like a lot to keep track of. That's where this amazing app comes in. It's called USEO-SEO Tools app. USEO helps you find high search volume keywords, discover trending topics relevant to your niche, generate powerful, relevant tags for your videos,